To teach your dog to lie down, all you need are some treats and a little bit of time on your hands. First, stand in front of your dog and ask it to sit. Then, hold a treat close enough to your dog's nose that it can smell it, and slowly lower the treat to the floor so your dog has to lie down to get it. Once your dog lies down, give it the treat and lots of praise to reinforce the behavior. If your dog tries to sit or stand back up at any point, start over from the beginning. Once your dog lies down successfully, add a command like down. As you're lowering the treat to the floor, say the command. Repeat this process for a few days, then gradually phase the treats out by not giving one to your dog every time. Keep doing this until you're no longer using treats and your dog responds to the command each time you say it.